Welcome to Code Fun. I'm Rozzie. It's great to see you. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi, come on out and say hello. Huh? I don't know where Digi is. Tell me if you see Digi, okay? Digi! 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 Huh. I wonder where Digi is. Maybe if we both call out Digi together, then Digi will come. Okay, call out Digi on the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Digi! Can you hear that? I think it's working. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Digi! Whoa! There you are, Digi. I can still see you, Digi. What a tricky trickster. Tēnā koe, Digi.
Kia ora!
Now that we're all here, are you ready to have lots of fun? Ka rawe, hoa ke tātou.
Kia ora! It's me, Digi the robot. It's great to see you. Huh? Oh! Kia ora!
Kia ora, Digi. I need help. Can you please help me?
I love to help, but I'm a robot. I need to be told what to do, so then I can help Sylas. Let's sort it out together. Ka pai, let's do it.
So my problem is I want to grow a flower for my mum. I know I need a mask, but I don't know what to do after that.
Oh, where? It looks like Sylas really needs our help. We need to give him some instructions. A set of steps to follow so he can plant a seed. Let's see what pictures we have to help us. First, there is a picture of some seeds. Then some soil or potting mix. Next is a seed pot. And then there's a picture of a spray bottle with water in it. We need to put these pictures in order so Sylas can plant a seed and grow a flower. So, what would happen if he got some seeds, put them in the soil, then got the pot and watered it? Me titiro tawa. Whoa, that's not right. It's just a mound of soil with a wet pot on top. Something is wrong with the instructions. They need to be debugged. When you try to do something and it all goes wrong, oh wait, listen and remember the words in this song. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Try to do what you're doing in a different way. You'll be smiling at the end of the day. You gotta stop, think, debug it. Whoa! Away! Titiro mai ki ngā pikitia. Look closely at the pictures. What comes first, the soil or the seed pot? Right, the soil needs to go into the seed pot. Let's put the picture of the seed pot first. So if we told Sylas to follow these instructions, he would get the seed pot, put soil into the pot, then put a few seeds into the soil, then water it. Do those instructions look right to you? Ka pai. Time to find out if the instructions work. Let's give these steps to Sylas.
Kia ora, Digi.
Kia ora. Are you ready to grow that flower for your mum?
Almost.
Look, Sylas is putting gloves and a mask on. Sometimes there are germs in the soil that can make you sick. Good move, Sylas. Step 1. Get the seed pot. Step 2. Put some soil into your seed pot. Step 3. Put a few seeds into the soil. Step 4. Spray your seeds with water. Ka pai, Sylas.
I did it. I grew a flower for my mum. Thanks, Digi. Bye.
We did it! Kua tutuki. We put the steps in order and gave the instructions to Sylas so he could grow a flower for his mum. Ooh, look, a flower just for you. Here you go. Thanks for your help, e hoa. Remember, if you try to do something and it all goes wrong, stop, think and debug it.
Hi there. Do you know what this is? It's a watering can. You fill it up with water and then use it to water the plants. Oh, I've got something to show you. Come on. I've planted some magic seeds in this pot. Do you want to see them grow? Ka pai.
Mātaki nā tēnei.
Watch this. Wow! How cool is that? What a colourful flower. Wow, the flower's blowing in the breeze. Come on, Etu, stand up and be a flower blowing in the breeze with me. Or you can just sit down if you like. Now, if you hear the wind, then you need to lean over like this. But if the wind stops, then you can just have a rest. Have you got those instructions? Great! Let's play the game. Whakarongo, listen for the wind. There it is, a gentle breeze. So gently lean. And to the other side. Are you leaning? Great. Oh, it's stopped now. You can have a little rest flower. Oh, here it comes again. Gently lean. Oh, the wind's getting stronger. Whoa! Are you leaning really far? Whew. Remember to lean when you hear the wind. Oh, here comes a big gust of wind. Lean! Whoa! That was fun. Karawe! Thanks for joining in, my friend. You're really good at following instructions. Just like a robot. Oh, Digi thinks so too. We've had lots of fun on Code Fun today. Make sure you come back next time. Here comes Digi.
Tēnā koe. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Come on.
Me waia tā tātou.
Ka kite, thank you for coming, ka kite, on this beautiful day. Ka kite, ka hoki mai anō, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite, thank you for coming, ka kite, have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa.
Ka kite!